All right, so we're gonna go in right back over here, and we are going to do now how to do an outline or border around some kind of clip art. Say you want to cut us some clip art, some along those lines. So first thing we're gonna do is Control I to import, and we're gonna go Great State of Wisconsin. I'm gonna click, and since that's pretty small, we're just gonna make it a little bit bigger. And then we have Wisconsin. So once again, we're going to go to bitmaps. And I gotta make sure I have it selected. Bitmaps. And then I'm gonna come up here, convert to bitmap. Got a black and white. So I'm gonna go, okay, we got black and white. We zoomed in, not very good yet, but it's getting close. So I'm gonna go back up my bitmaps. I'm gonna go to outline trace, and we're gonna go to clip art. Yes. And it's going to do its little magic, and we zoom in, just gorgeous, back her out. Okay, I'm going to take this one, put this one over here. This one is my bad one, so we're just going to say, be gone with you. So, boom, gone. All right, to make things easier for transparent reasons, we are just going to put a little box here. We'll put it in this corner just for giggles, and then we'll come in here, boom. We got ourselves a box. But what I want to do is I want to put an outline. See, I want to cut out the state of Wisconsin. I want to put an outline around that. So I'm going to come here. And I am going to select it. And I'm going to go Control U to ungroup it. And then once again, I am going to go to my freehand tool here. And I want to... yeah. I want to be able to pick that inside section, and you little bugger. So I go back on my freehand tool. Sometimes it does it right away, and sometimes it doesn't. So no, and then I'll be able to clear it down. I don't know why it works like that, but it does. But so you got to click that little right click down, and then it'll say you won't. Repeat section, you can say no, but then you'll be able to take it. So I'm going to delete this little section, because if I were to take this right here and say order, bring it to front, and then I bring it over here, it's actually that white that was in Wisconsin. We just wanted that out of there just for, I wanted to show you again how that was done. If I were to take Wisconsin here and I gotta regroup it. Oh, you little bugger. So I gotta go back up here to my pick tool, and I go up here, and then I say, my order, bring the front. It is now in front of that box. Now I have to have this ungrouped. Keep in mind, to do the outline, you got to have it ungrouped. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here, and I'm going to click on this one, create boundary. So what I'm going to do then is click that little guy, and it made a boundary around our whole object here. I'm going to come over here. Oh, and I'm going to go Control Z, because I left clicked on that. I want to right click on that. And then what I'm going to do is I can come over here, and I can just move my boundary out over the side. Or I could have left it there, and it would have laser engraved all the black, and then the Final Cut would have came and cut it out that way. So then we are left with this particular little fella. So I hope that helps. Thank you.